Hey guys, it's Nurse here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, sorry if I haven't been posting in a while, just because, like school, there's a lot of, like, doing testing in school and
oh
stuff.
my god,
so, yeah.
nobody
Today,
cares.
I am going to be doing my squishy collection because I think I haven't made a squishy video yet, so why not just start off by making a squishy collection and just off my squishy.
That literally makes no sense, Rachel. Why?
So I have all my store-bought squishies, online bought squishies, and all my homemade squishies. I don't have a lot of squishies.
Oh my god, can you like start the freaking collection already? Like, please.
Because I sold like half of my other bin full squishies, and I have like $80 because I sold it for $50, and my friend still only $6, but whatever. But
Oh my god, Jesus Christ.
the first thing I have is this really defective, really old Lakuma bread loaf.
What the heck is that? Like, I should have thrown away that before I started the video.
I try to paint it, but I use acrylic paint, which do not use acrylic paint if you want to decorate your squishies or make squishies. So yeah. Next item I have is this dog, or Instadog squishy. Okay, and then we have this Keeper pineapple. It smells so good. This whale something? I don't even know. I got this from my friend, so. This turtle, so cute. There's an air bubble on the forehead, so it looks different, but it's so good. This is like a bear squishy. It's obviously really defective. This is these two my friend gave me. So, it's a bear. I love squishing the head because it's huge, and like the body's like skinny. It's a huge head and a small body. It smells like chocolate. This is the little ears. We have this cake, the orb cake, soft inside, I think. It's really dense on the bottom, like the chocolate part. The top is super soft, like the strawberry thing, and the strawberries are so even though it's cinnamon roll, cinnamon bun. This kawaii cake, kawaii milk carton. Defects everywhere, but it's still really squishy. And the sort of bottom. One of my favorites, the kawaii hamster. The cute tail, this is super serrating. All of my squishies are kind of like less serrating than fours because the weather, and I haven't squished my squishies in a long time. Ice cream. As you can tell, very defective. My favorite squishy of all time, I think. This Sanquilin, I don't even know. Octopus ball. It's so cute. With the packaging, it's adorable. The back. Oh my god. Sorry, it's so cute. I'm gonna put this away. Alright. So cute. This licensing is right here. Can you see it? See? Right there. Oh my god, yes.
Okay, so that is not all of my whole entire squishy collection, but my dumb self, I decided to split the video in half, and I freaking deleted the rest of the videos. So yeah, but I guess this is the end. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like, comment, subscribe if you want, and I guess I will see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye.